Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019. And in this video we're gonna learn how to use the revision cloud right here. Now as usual, there are several ways to access this command, simply by clicking on draw on the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view the tool palettes right here, or just by typing it on the screen as we learned in the last videos. I'm gonna go over and click on the icon. Now there are several ways to draw a revision cloud. If you choose the rectangular, he's going to ask you to specify the first corner, then the opposite corner, just like that. Draw roughly. Let me make it on a smaller scale to make sure that you see it all. Just like that, draw more roughly rectangular. Now if you choose the polygonal, you'll draw a revision cloud on the shape of a polygon, just like that. If you click on the freehand, you'll draw a revision cloud as you wish using the cursor, just like that. Another way to draw a revision cloud is by using any shape or any object that you have. Let's say the rectangular or an ellipse or a circle or any shape you have in your drawing, and you click on the revision cloud, and then go all the way down and you click on objects right here. Then he's gonna ask you to select the object that you want to make a revision out of. If you click on the object, he's gonna ask you to select whether you want to reverse the direction of the revision cloud or keep it. I'm gonna keep it for this one. Now again, click on object, then select the object. I'm gonna click on the ellipse. If you click yes, he's gonna reverse the direction, and you can see the difference between them. Again, revision cloud, then object, then select the circle, and now you may ask, why would I use a revision cloud? Revision cloud simply helps you to highlight certain areas or an object in your drawing. So that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.